A salt is state's answer to buildup in urinal drains that can lead to costly backups, strong odors, and unsanitary conditions. Here are some of the star qualities of state salt. It is composed of urea hydrochloride, an organic salt that acts like an acid, making this product non-damaging to porcelain and drain lines. A salt is also phosphate-free and contains no VOCs. Drain lines are easily cleared of uric salt buildup, calcium deposits, lime buildup, and even rust. It works better and faster than phosphoric acid products. Pour 8 ounces of a salt and let it sit overnight in the urinal and flush in the morning. When using with an automatic flushing system, it is recommended to turn the water off to the urinal and let it sit overnight. State Salt is another fine restroom care product brought to you by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.